Good morning, ninth class. Yesterday बच्चे we have done examples related to exercise 6.3. Today we will start this exercise. First question is in figure 6.39. In this figure, sides QP and RQ. I have made this figure here also. Sides QP and RQ, this one, of triangle PQR are produced to points S and T. Means QP ਨੂੰ S तक और RQ ਨੂੰ T तक produce ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ. If angle SPR, this angle is of 135 degree, angle PQT, that is this angle is of 110 degree, then find angle PRQ. We have to find this angle. How we will find it? Firstly bete, we will find this angle and this angle, ठीक है, and then this angle will be automatically found with the help of the theorems which we have done yesterday. Now bete, RT is a straight line. It means this angle plus this angle will make a linear pair. Rather than giving a proper name, I am numbering it 1, 2, 3. ठीक है, I'm writing here, since RT is a straight line, since RT is a straight line, therefore 110, that is PQT, angle PQT plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. PQT is of 110 degree. So angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. From here what we will become? 180 minus 110. That is angle 1 is of 70 degree. ठीक है. Now again QS is a straight line. Also QS is a straight line. Therefore angle SPR and angle Q is of 180 degree. Angle SPR plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. Again reason is linear pair. So angle SPR is equals to 130 degree. Angle Q is equals plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. From here angle 2 will be 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. Now बच्चे ਹੁਣ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ दो तरीके ने फाइंड करन दे. बेस्ट वन इज़ दैट सम ऑफ एंगल्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल वाली प्रॉपर्टी लगावांगे. ठीक है. नाउ इन ट्रायंगल PQR ट्रायंगल दे विच बेटे एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न? सम ऑफ एंगल्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल. दिस इज़ एंगल्स. ठीक है. एंगल का साइन पा के बेटे पिछे एस पा देना. दिस इज़ द शॉर्टकट. So angle 1 is of 70 degree, we have find it. Angle 2 is of 50 degree, which we have recently found, and we have to find angle 3. So 70 plus 50, it is 120. ठीक है. So 120 degree plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. From here angle 3 is equals to 180 minus 120. माइनस तो चले गए ना बेटे. So angle 3 is equals to of 60 degree, which we have to find. ठीक है. एंड तो ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖ ਵੀ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. therefore angle PRQ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ angle 3 ਨਾਮ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਨਾ, is of 60 degree. okay ਬੇਟੇ. next moving to second question. what is second question? in figure 6.40, this figure, angle x is equals to 62 degree, angle XYZ is equals to 54 degree, if YO and ZO are bisectors of angle XYZ, YO and ZO are bisectors. Bisectors means कि equal parts ਵਿੱਚ divide ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ like this। ਜੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਐਂਗਲ 54 ਡਿਗਰੀ ਦਾ ਬੇਟੇ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਹਾਫ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ that is 27 ਡਿਗਰੀ। ਆਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਐਂਗਲ ਵੀ 27 ਦਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਨੈਕਸਟ this will be also of 27 degree। further they are saying YO and ZO भी एक एंगल बाइसैक्टर है। इट मीन्स कि जिन्ने डिग्री का आह वाला एंगल होएगा उन्ने डिग्री का ही आह वाला एंगल होएगा। ठीक है, व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड एंगल OZY वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस एंगल and angle YOZ means this angle। how we will find it bete? Firstly, two angles of the triangle XYZ are given। we will find the third angle with the help of sum of angles of triangle property। ठीक है, now in triangle XYZ, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree। what is the reason? sum of angles of triangle is equals to 180 degree। now angle X and angle Y are known to us, that is of 62 degree plus 54 degree, and angle Z we have to find, so keep it as it is। from here 62 plus 54 bete it will become 116 degree। ठीक है जी, plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree। from here angle Z is equals to 180 minus 116, that is angle Z will be of 64 degree। ठीक है, now since we will talk about the angle bisectors now, since OY is angle bisector, or we can simply write bisector also, since OY is angle bisector of angle XYZ, ਇਹਦਾ angle bisector है ना, therefore we can write that angle OYZ is equals to angle XYO। यही कह सकते हैं कि एंगल OYZ, क्योंकि सानू यही चाहिए ना पहला, OYZ is equals to half of angle XYZ, that is half of angle 54 degree, and it will become 2 1 the 2 227 the, so 27 degree। similarly बच्चे OZ is angle bisector, ठीक है ना, OZ is angle bisector of एंगल केड़े एंगल का बाइसेक्टर है बेटे? XZY, XZY। so we have found that angle Z is equals to 64 degree, so angle OZY is equals to half of angle XZY, that is half of angle 64 degree, which we have found recently। dividing it 2 1 the 2 32 to the 64, so it means this angle is of 32 degree, this angle is of 27 degree। now we have to find this angle, so bete half of angle XZY is equals to half of 64 degree, because it is of 64 degree, that is 32 degree। ठीक है, it means this angle is of 32 degree, this is of angle 32 degree। now angle in triangle OYZ, in triangle OYZ, in this triangle bete angle O plus angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree। angle O plus angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree। what is the reason? sum of angles of triangle। ठीक है, now angle O bete we have to find, angle Y is of 27 degree and angle Z is of 32 degree। okay, so angle O plus 27 plus 32, it will be of 59 degree is equals to 180 degree. So angle O is equals to 180 minus 59 degree, that is it will become 121 degree. Okay. Now question number third. In this in this figure, two angles are given to you. You have to find angle DCE. Try it yourself. It's very easy. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. That's all for today. Thank you.